Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another Lego building video. As you can see, I got the Technic Rubicon. Let's get this thing started and let's build it. Rubicon Technic Lego. Yeah. This is a cool one. Now, I know I still got that Bad Batch ship to build, but I really want to build this one because I've got a photo ideal and I need it. So this one actually is the next one in line. But there you go, right there. This is a good looking vehicle. There's the box. Look at that. We got articulated suspension. We got a winch. I mean, we got the hood open, doors. Yeah, this is cool. Let's get this thing open. This is kit number 42122, 665 pieces. I'm curious to see how this one actually goes together. So first things first, that is a very small bag one. Hey, we got wheels. Or tires, excuse me. Look at bag two, it's just pins. Wow, this is interesting. All right. Oh, we got stickers. That's it, nothing else in the box. All right, how many bags do we got? Let me put the box right here for now. Oh, now that makes more sense. That's a bag one. That's bag two. All right, bag two. Okay, so it looks like the main bags all have small bags. So bag two has one large bag and two small bags. Bag one has a little bag one right there. So yeah, let's see what we can get just to give a little looky-see here, see what's going on. Okay, so bag one appears to be the actual chassis right there, and bag two completes it. So, okay, not bad at all. This will be interesting to see how the bags actually are laid out. And what I mean by that is, do I open up this bag one first or this bag one first? It shows a picture of a bag one, but I'm assuming we're going to use everything. I don't know. I do not know. I'm just going through to see if I can see any kind of clues. So far, I'm not. I'm going to see if it actually just runs into where bag two is. I'm thinking that it's just going to be a combination of all of the bag ones. So, yep. So basically the first 62 pages is bag one. Plural, bag ones. So, I tell you what, I am going to get this stuff organized, and I'm going to null some parts out, and then we'll do a time lapse, get the build going. So yeah, I'm not going to waste and bore your time with me nulling, but yeah, let's start building. So I'm stopping at the moment because a little bit of progress. These are some pretty long. This is a pretty interesting build. I'm still working on bag one, but this is where we're at so far. I'm actually at the point to where you have to do the winch assembly. This is interesting. I was just curious. So we actually have the thread. we've got the actual winch, and I'm actually just curious on how this actually will go together. So I figured I'd stop and chat a little bit while I'm trying to figure out this part of the equation. Let's see here. I mean, we definitely have some slots right there. Let's see. I don't know if these go all the way through. It looks like it may just be a simple one, but of course, it's a small piece of thread. There we go. All right. Let's see here. See if I can do a little bit of a little knot here. It doesn't say how to actually attach it, so I'm just assuming just tie it. That's what I'm gonna do anyway. You know, we'll just tie a simple little knot. Nothing crazy. I tell you, the detail on some of these builds it's the little things, like, you know, a real winch line. I mean, that's just wicked cool. Cut this little bit of excess off right here. Make sure I don't cut what I just tied. That would be bad. Alright. There we go. Alright. And basically it just talks about winding it up. So let's wind it up. What's funny is it doesn't have you tie the hook or anything yet. So this is going to be interesting to see how this actually stays all together. All right, we got it there. This actually goes with the wind facing backwards, like so. All right, all right. There we go. I just wanted to show you this part right here. This is, yeah, details. We're still probably about 20 or so pages before I get done with bag one. So, yeah, this is going to be interesting. All right, I do see the hook. So I tell you what, let's, I'm going to go ahead. I'm not even going to do a time lapse. We're going to finish this now. Let's see if we can rock and roll this thing. Get the winch fixed anyway. Let's see. I need one of those right there. All right. I need two of these. I'm telling you. It's crazy. So the actual winch line goes through this, this little hole right here. All right, good. Then that fits into here. Okay, okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Make sure I put it on the right one. Yup. Right. Now then, the hook. Okay, okay. Flip that upside down. We got the hook right there. How does this? Okay, we got another knot to tie. Let me play out some winch line. Yeah, this is interesting. Lego. I love it. These are so, I mean, Lego's fun. And the Technic stuff ones are just, like I said, it's these little bitty details that just make them so great. I mean, come on. It don't. You're actually tying your own winch line. I mean, that's just awesome. I thought I had, oh yeah, I do, right there, pair of scissors. Pair of scissors, right there. Let's get that cut. There we go. All right. We got the hook on, right there. We got the hook. All right. Lay that there. We need a couple of these. And we need one of these. All right. Put that there. That goes in like that. All right. We're getting close. We're getting close to having the winch assembly done. All right. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. Let's get that on. That goes there. And then this goes on here like that. Oh yeah. Then, let's see. Make sure I got that right. I'm going to wind this up just a little bit more, maybe. Okay, okay. Big Daddy here. All right. Like that, and like that. Boom, right there, one winch assembly. Bam! All right, back to the time lapse. Bag one is done right there. This has been an interesting build. Wow. It's yeah, it's been a fun one though. But right there we got the chassis, we got the winch. So I mean it's coming along. Got our suspension, we got shocks going on. So got the steering wheel. So I'm pretty stoked. Pretty stoked. It's looking good. But we'll set that right there for now. Bag two. Yeah, bag two is the body component. So hopefully we can get that done and get things rolling. So I tell you what, I'm going to get all the bags open, get everything nailed out, and then we will we'll finish this thing up. So let's go. It's done right there. Technic Rubicon. This is a fun one. I highly recommend this one. 42-122 right there. 665 pieces. But we got, you know, the hood comes up, doors open, I mean, come on. This is pretty legit. Wow. I dig it. I dig it a lot. We got the winch. I mean, it's cool. The actual tires turn. Very cool, very cool, very cool Lego build. Hope you really enjoyed this video. I mean, I'm really loving the Lego stuff, and I love doing the videos, the time-lapse videos and things like that to show you guys me putting these things together. But I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you do. Also, let me know if you've actually picked this up or not and have built it. What do you think about it? But it's cool. I mean, the only thing is I wish it was bigger. I wish it was like big enough that I could actually have some fun with some 6-inch figures. But I am excited to actually take it out and, I don't know, just do some really cool photos with it. I mean, come on. It's a Lego. And it looks cool. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If this is your first time to my content, if you enjoy it, hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. That way you'll be part of the movement, 21K in 2021. We're going to get there. And one last thing, always remember, toys refreshes your soul, and I'll see you next time.